Okay, so here we go, another episode, living in the Caribbean. My life with people I know and here in Mexico. And oh, the police are say, hola, hola. You say hello, there they go. So the police, they're on the motorcycles, they're going to the beach, they're protecting everybody. And right now, just to timestamp this, which most people don't do because they don't give a shit, I do. I tell the truth, and I am 1,000,000% honest with everything I do. Wow, look at this beautiful tree. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. So I'm walking right down the street from the beach here. I'm right on the beach in the Caribbean in Mexico. One of the #1 spots in the world for you to take a vacation. In fact, why don't you learn how to do this? I want you to keep watching my videos. Smash that like button, click the notification bell, get all my videos, and I want you to make a comment right now and say, James, how the hell are you living in Mexico right now for $700 a month when you make... Okay, so we're in the taxi right now. This guy's asleep. He's out like a light. I think he had too many beers, too much cerveza, or too much tequila or something, but he is out. But we're just stopping here in the taxi at the bank in Mexico, trying to pick up a little money, like always, right? So that's what you do, right? You have to learn how to get other people to send you money or give you money, take money out of their pocket and put it into your pocket. In fact, there's a famous movie, I want you to watch it. It's called The Wolf of Wall Street. But I want you to watch a movie before this. So here we go. The first movie I want you to watch is the first movie called Wall Street. It was with Charlie Sheen and Michael Douglas, one of my most famous actors in the world. And I want you to watch that movie. Then right after that, don't stop, keep going. I want you to watch The Wolf of Wall Street with Leonardo DiCaprio. And I want you to listen to one thing that they always say in those movies. You have to learn how to do one thing in life and in business to live a magnificent lifestyle. You have to learn how to get other people, convince and persuade and negotiate with other people to take money out of their pocket and put it into your pocket every second, every minute, and every hour of every day. And that's exactly what I teach people how to do. Check out my little amigo right there. He is out like a light. If you're interested, let me know and I'll get you on a live call. I'll show you how to do it in 1 hour. All right, so I'm walking right up the street here. I'm going to go see my friend from New Jersey. He owns a pizza taco restaurant right here in the Caribbean in Mexico, right on the beach, 2 blocks from the beach. He owns a pizza taco restaurant called Pizza Express. I'm gonna go check it out. I'm gonna go meet him. I'm actually friends with his father, but he's a younger guy. But he opened up a pizza taco restaurant right here in the Caribbean, 2 blocks from the beach. Let's go check it out, and I'm gonna buy some food, and I'm gonna see if it's good. Let's check it out. This is what happens when you're in the Caribbean. We were just walking down the street. Well, we were just at the bank, and then we just stopped at a store here called OXXO, like 7-Eleven. And then boom, out of nowhere, you got a little tropical storm. If you can see the rain here, it's coming in big time. Little tropical storm. So that's what happens when you live in the Caribbean. Most of the time it's drop dead gorgeous. You get a little rain and then it blows out in about 20, 30 minutes or so. But it's good. This is excelente for vegetation, vegetales, and fruit and everything. It's good. It's okay. It cleans the streets. We just get a little wet a little bit. We got a little baby here. When we're done, we're going to head to the beach and swim in the ocean, probably in the rain. So keep watching my YouTube channel. If you love this stuff, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell. But wait, hold on, keep watching, because at the same time, I always teach people how I make money online. 3, 4, 5 different ways. Online, internet, affiliate marketing, real estate, Airbnb, and also selling the #1 product in the world, which is called teaching people how to make money online right now. Teaching people how to make money online. That's the #1 business in the world right now, and you can make millions doing it. If you're interested, send me your name and your mobile number and your email, and I'll show you how to do it. In 1 hour, 1 day, I can put you in business. Are you interested? This is how you live here in the Caribbean. Every night people come out on the beach and take a walk and relax and have a little fun, and that's living in the Caribbean. So smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, click all the notification bell, get all my videos. I'm going to show you how to live a paradise lifestyle. What does that mean? It means doing whatever you want to do whenever you want to do it, living anywhere you want in the world, anywhere you want in the world. Try and say that 10 times fast. Because you're making thousands of dollars daily online and in real estate. That's what I'll show you. We got to go left. We're going to go look at this property, and I'm trying to work out a deal with one of my friends from Denver, Colorado. His father has owned this property for literally the last 12 years. Really. They've got 4 buildings, about 18 apartments. They make a lot of money renting these out on Airbnb. His father's retiring. He wants me to come into business with him, partner up, and not only rent these places out, and we're going to upgrade them and remodel them, but we also want to buy another property which is right next to it, and it's super cheap right now. Coming out of this, well, we're not coming out of it. We're still going through this COVID-19 coronavirus, stupid fucking thing. Hey man, what's going on?
I'm gonna kick you in the balls first, dude. I'm gonna kick you in the fucking.
Oh my god, I can't believe it!
In the fucking balls, motherfucker.
Hold on a second. Wait, I gotta talk to this guy. Just so you know, especially in Mexico, the military, the police are here. Look right behind me. See them right behind me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are military, and they have machine guns on the beach. I'm walking this way. So here I'm at the store. I'm trying to buy some diapers. How do you figure out how to buy diapers for a baby that's 8 weeks old? I'm too old for this stuff. But anyway, I'm going to try and do it. So they got 3 or 4, or I don't even know which one. We got this one for 4. Who knows? Hey, the bottom line is this. If you're having a baby and you're a mom and a dad, you just buy some diapers. You do whatever you do. You do whatever you need to do to take care of that baby. And make sure you clean up their pee-pee and poop-poop. It doesn't matter the size of the diaper. I'm going to tell you what matters. Here's what matters. How much money are you making online? How much money do you make every day selling products on the internet? I make over 1,000. All right, so here we go. For those of you who follow me on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Twitter, your mama's ass, whatever, I just picked these diapers right here, just for tonight, Sunday night, to take care of the baby, to make sure if he goes pee-pee, poop-poop, he's got some diapers. Who the hell's taking care of me? That's what I want to know. So now we got a little baby here. Look, he's getting tired. Look at this little guy. He's going to have a bath. We're going to give him a bath. Okay, here we go. Okay, here's my friend David. New Brunswick, New Jersey, with his mom. #1 Italian. I'm telling everybody. There you go. When we come to Playa del Carmen, Mexico, you come to this Pizza Express.
Pizza Express.
Pizza Express. Here's the menu right here. And you guys can order pickup, delivery, whatever you want. Keep watching my videos. I'm going to show you exactly what they have here. But we just ordered the meatball parmesan for today. The meatball, which I'll show. I'm going to show you this. I'm going to show you the sandwich when I get home. Meatball parmesan. And then we got the chicken wings. Oh my God! Look, magnifico! Look at that, excelente. Okay, so you're gonna come here. So this is the David, the owner, and his mama.
Hello.
Tell him your name.
My name is Luz. We are living in New Jersey for 2 years in New Brunswick, New Jersey.
22.
But how long you here in Private Farm?
A year and a half. 1 year.
1 year. So you come here. You're gonna come here. In the link in the description below this video, I will tell you the address and exactly how to get here on Google Maps. Okay? All right. We see you soon.
Take care.
Okay. We see you. Here we go. I got the meatball parmesan. Look at this. Meatball parmesan sandwich. Look at that sandwich. Meatballs, tomato sauce, Parmesan cheese from an Italian from New Jersey, baby, in Mexico, in the Caribbean, on the ocean, from his restaurant called Pizza Express. Then we have some chicken wings. Check this out. Chicken wings. She's already digging in right there. She can't even stop eating them. Look. Look at that. Chicken wings, celery, blue cheese, carrots. Chicken wings are excellent, by the way, living in the Caribbean. And we do this, you have no idea how cheap this is. So if you want to learn how to minimize your life, you know, all the big people out there making millions of dollars with the Lamborghinis and the Ferraris and the big houses and all that stuff you're watching it on Instagram and Facebook, and it's all bullshit. Trust me, it's all bullshit. I am real. I am upfront, honest. I am the real. I am totally real. I'm telling you what I'm doing. I'm living for $700 a month, but I make $700 a day. $700 a day selling the #1 product in the world on the internet. But I only live, and my expenses and my bills are only $700 a month. If you are interested, I don't care. Everybody else bullshit. Fuck you. Get off my channel. I don't want any negativity. If you are, I'm only talking to the people, older people like me, who are interested in taking your retirement money, your 401k, your IRA money, all that money you made your whole life, killing yourself at your jobs. You want to learn how to live for $700 a month, but live like a king. I want you to send me a message right now. Comment below. Say, James, I'm in. Show me what to do. I'll get you on a live call. You don't have to fill out a form. You don't have to download a book. You don't have to do all this other bullshit that you're doing. Stop watching videos. Stop reading books. And stop doing all this bullshit. Stop. Start right now. Get on the phone with me live. Send me your name, your email, your mobile number. I'll get you on the phone live, me personally. I'll put you in business making thousands of dollars a day online, and then you can live in paradise with chicken wings and an Italian sub and a little baby boy. Look at that. Living in paradise, baby. Come on. What the hell are you doing? How are you living?